Now we are on the recording. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to solve exercise 11B, page number 370. And we will solve question number 1. Question number 1. Identify a pair of similar triangle from the following triangles based on based on in each of the following similarity test. You have given 8 triangles and similarity tests are also mentioned. Angle, like I am solving here. You will question number 1 part A you have given triple A. It's a double A. It means angle similarity test. Okay, similarity test. Similarity test.
मुझे स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही।
यार व्हाइट बोर्ड पर हम काम कर रहे हैं। व्हाइट बोर्ड नजर आ रहा है आपको? Who is asking? Hanzala, is that you? Hello Hanzala.
मिस
मैं कौन? प्लीज मेंशन नेम। अरसलान।
अरसलान मिस।
अरसलान, आपको व्हाइट बोर्ड नजर नहीं आ रहा?
यस मिस।
एक सेकेंड। नजर आ रहा है आपको? और स्टूडेंट, अदर स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू सी द व्हाइट बोर्ड?
यस मिस।
ओके अरसलान, अब नाउ कैन यू सी?
यस मिस।
ओके। Question number 1 part A you have given exercise 11B. Part A you have it triple A, double A. Double A means two angles. Double B means double S means side. Similarity test. And SAS means side angle side similarity test. Okay, and the triangles are yes. I am going to draw the triangles. And then write 1 and this one is given present in your book. One and second. One, two, and this one is third. Then please mute your mic. Hamza Zulekha, turn off your mic. Mic band कीजिए dear. And then this one is fourth. And this one is fifth. Different shapes you can see of the triangles and different direction. It's a fifth triangle And sixth triangle we have like this. And it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this one is seventh triangle and eighth. And this one is eighth triangle. We have drawn triangle. Here I am going to mention the, अब हम यहाँ पे mention करने जा रहे हैं इसकी sides and first triangle has 8 centimeter and two angles are given 75 degree and 40 degree. Class, when the number is written outside from the triangle, that's mean, and the unit is mentioned with centimeter, meter, so that's mean it is the side of triangle. And when any number is written with degree unit, that's mean it is angle is given. Okay. And then triangle number 2, you have given 12 centimeter, and here we have given 7.8 centimeter. It is the length of sides of length of sides, and it's a 40 degree, means 3 sides and 1 angle. And then next triangle is 40 degree, 40 degree, and here is given 75 degree and 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. And fourth triangle is 15.4. This one is 15.4, 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter and 40 degree, like this. And then we have given fifth triangle. Fifth triangle we have given 40 degree. It's like it's not exactly a right angle triangle. 40 degree, 40, 85, and 12 centimeter. And then next we have 3.9, 4 and 6. Here we have only sides are given 3.9, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And then we have next angle is 55 degree, 55 and 40 and 8 centimeter. And then last triangle we have 4.5, 6 centimeter and 40 degree. So class, tell me which triangle is similar to other. कौन सा triangle आप इसमें similar है? Can you tell me? जल्दी से बताइए. जिस पे सिमिलैरिटी टेस्ट फुलफिल हो रहा हो. यस क्लास. यहाँ पर आप ना इग्नोर द साइन साइड्स, see the angle which are same, just like angle number. Let's suppose I am changing the color of yes, here you can see that students, अब देखिए जैसे just like you can see the sides are different, all triangles have different sides, right? But you can see that the angles may be like same. Yes, just like triangle number 1 and triangle number 3 follow. I'm mentioning here 1 and triangle number 1, you will write like this: triangle number 1, triangle number 3 follows double A similarity test. You can see that both angles are same, 40 degree, 40 degree, 75 degree, 75 degree. Are you getting my point, students? यहाँ तक समझ आ रहा है आपको? हमजा, जुलेखा, अरसलान, बासित, साद, अलीजा, अशना, where are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Okay, these triangles are same according to
Yes.
angle similarity test. And can you tell me further triangles? दूसरे triangles का बताइए अब आप लोग मुझे. Yes class. Which triangle is looking similar like triple S and SAS? Hey, quickly. Hello students. Double A, yes. 1, 2, 1, 3. Another angle which is looking same. Angle similarity test का कोई और नजर आ रहा है आपको? See, just like I have solved 1 and 3 is double A similarity test, and another which have same angles. दूसरे triangle जो same triangle हो. Yes class, quickly. No idea? You can see next triangle 3. No, we have done 1 and 3. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, you see 5 and 40 and 85. 40 and 85, and where other triangle we have given? Wait a second. 5 and 7. Sorry class, it's a 55. ये जो है ना 55 है. Wait, let me clear. It's not yes, it's a 55. So you can see that triangle number 5 and triangle number 7 is similar. 5 and 7. Students, are you getting my point? आपको मेरी समझ आ रहा है ये question? Is also similar by angle. इसका भी angle same है. And there is also two triangles similar angle wise. एक और please mention कीजिए वो कौन कौन से triangle हैं? No, we have done it. Okay. Next test we have SSS. मतलब side, side and side. अब जल्दी से बता दीजिए कि which one is similar like side, side and side. Yes class. No idea? Students. 6, 2 and 6.
4.
Class, don't see the sides are same. See triple sides. In which triangle you have given the triple sides? आप ये देखिए इसमें कि ट्रिपल साइड इसमें हमें कौन कौन सी गिवन है. नॉट एंगल, ओनली फोकस ऑन साइड्स. जल्दी से बताइए. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स.
Miss 4.
2 and 6.
Miss
2 and 6. 2 you have given 12, 47.8, and 6 you have given 3 sides. Yes, class. And when we talk about C part, means side angle side. Side angle side 4 and 2 you have given. Part A you have given this. Part B you have given 2 and 6 are similar. Not equal, they are saying similar. Triangle number 2 and 6 and are similar, like side side side. And triangle number 4 and triangle number 8, 4 और 8 similar हैं according to side angle side. They are, see the triangles according to the location. की locations देखिए कि side side angle side. How part C देखिए side angle side में 4 and 8 is equal. How you can see 4 triangle. ये देखिए side side angle. Here side side and angle. Okay, ये इस तरह से solve हुआ है. Okay, now next question we have. अब हमारे पास next question है और वो बहुत important है और easy भी है वो. चलें देखते हैं वो हम. Wait a minute, let me change the color. Okay, here you have given only 2 triangles. आपको यहाँ पे 2 triangle given हैं. And this one and this one is the bigger triangle. And okay, don't need to measure when you draw the triangle. Don't need to use the scale. It's a 70 degree. And second angle you have given 60 degree. Triangle ABC. A, B and C, and here you have S, T, U, and then 70 degree. And 50 degree, like this. Okay, you will prove. ये आपको question given है, copy and complete proof to show that each of the following pair of triangles are similar. आपको proof करना है. And here class you have given STU. We have learned triangle STU has 2 angles given. And you will find out the third angle. जब आप third angle निकालेंगे तो formula होता है sum of angles is equal to 180. You will subtract both triangle from 180. क्लास हम 180 से इन दोनों को माइनस क्यों करवा रहे हैं? Can anyone tell me? Yes, class. STU angle you have given because sum of triangle is equal to 180. हम इसमें से 180 में से इसके दोनों एंगल्स को माइनस करवाएंगे. Like minus minus plus, first we 70 and 50. Yes, it become 120. G, yes, dear. Any question? It become 30. No. What? No, it's a 60. You will get 60. आपको यहाँ पे कितना 60 degree like this. And then now you will tell me A, B, B, A, angle BAC is equal to dash is equal to 70 degree. And then ABC, this is given in question. You just fill this blank and tell the answer. ABC is equal to dash and dash degree. Now class, can you tell me? Please tell me the answer. Just a second. Arrow is mentioned in the question. So we will use arrows. Yes, class. Now please tell me. आप बताइए. We have find out STU is the 60 degree. So here we can write. Now you can see the triangles are similar. आप देख सकते हैं ना, आपको triangle similar नजर आ रहे हैं. So A side is equal to A कौन से side के similar है? See the compare the two triangle. Like if the topper of the first triangle is A, so in the second triangle the top of the second triangle is S. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कह सकते हैं कि A is similar with S, right? अब बताइए B किसके similar है class? B is similar with what? No. B is similar with T, right? And C is similar with C किसके similar है? U के. Are you getting my point, students? देखिए ये side similar है इससे. This side is similar like this and C is similar like U. Okay, class, you have given BAC is equal to dash is equal to 70 degree. Which this is triangle BAC. देखिए ये BAC 70 degree. तो मुझे बताइए इसमें कौन सी साइड सेकंड ट्राइंगल में कौन सा एंगल 70 डिग्री के इक्वल है? जल्दी से बताइए. यहाँ पर देखिए BAC 70 डिग्री के बराबर है. यहाँ पे होगा T, देखिए TSU 70 डिग्री. TSU like BAC, तो आप ये लिखेंगे TSU. Are you getting my point, student? ये समझ आया आपको? फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल एंगल इज BAC, तो सेकंड क्या होगा? TSU. अगर हमारे पास ट्राइंगल इस तरह से दिया हुआ है ABC और दूसरा ट्राइंगल यू हैव गिवन SPU, when we are talking about 70 degree in the middle, so middle, so second number you have given B, A and C. It is similar like T, S and U. So these are same 70 degree angle. Same, not same, similar, because the size of the triangle are different. Okay, now tell me class ABC, triangle ABC is equal to dash is equal to dash. तो अब मुझे बताइए ट्राइंगल ABC किसके बराबर है? Yes class,
STU.
what are you saying dear?
STU.
STU. Okay,
STU.
wait a minute, which is it's an angle. Yes, ABC ये angle given है. हाँ, ABC हमें given है. Yes class, बताइए जल्दी से.
STU.
क्लास एक सेकेंड रुके, मुझे इसका आंसर. STU, you are saying STU. अब ये बताइए ABC पर कौन सा साइन मेंशन है, एंगल मेंशन कौन सा है क्लास, जल्दी से बताइए. जस्ट लाइक A पर गिवन था हमारे पास 70 डिग्री, तो यू कैन सी दैट S पर भी हमारे पास 70 डिग्री था, राइट?
3 degree.
Here 60. Very good. Yes, this is the correct answer. Shabash. Okay, so triangle ABC. Now next and last step. Other students, are you getting my point? Class Arsalan, Saad, Hanzala, Basit, dear Ashna,
Yes,
बताइए
miss.
आप लोगों को ये समझ आया? This the symbol which I am using or drawing the arrows is means इसका मतलब होता है similar. Okay, arrow, double arrow means similar triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to which triangle is similar with ABC? Yes class, कौन सा next triangle क्या लिखूंगी मैं यहाँ पे? Which triangle is involving?
STU.
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 STU. And अब बताइए इसकी कितनी sides equal हैं? Whole sides are equal. So we will write 3 sides.
Yes.
3 sides and all angles. All angles. This one is symbol. This symbol means angle. All angles. Okay. Now for your further practice, अब मैं आपको दोबारा एक और क्वेश्चन देती हूँ. हम उसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर देंगे और थोड़ा सा उसको चेंज कर देंगे. ओके, और आपने मुझे वो पूरा बताना होगा. आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज. यहाँ तक कोई कंफ्यूजन है क्लास? फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस अब हम थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं. ओके, हम ना दूसरे पेज पे जाते हैं ताकि इजीली हम सॉल्व कर सकें. यस क्लास, आई एम गिविंग यू अनदर क्वेश्चन. ओके, हम ना इसको सॉल्व, वी विल पिक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ yes, here we have given different triangle. No, okay, I am giving you triangles. मैं अपनी खुद दे देती हूँ आपको. This one is small. Very easy questions class, don't need to worry about it. And oh, this is small triangle and this one is bigger triangle. And then you can see the difference, bigger and smaller. Okay, it is I'm changing the name of triangle X, Y and Z, and this one is X dash, no, E, F and G. Okay, this triangle name is E, F and G. So here you have given here you have given 40 degree, and here I am changing the position of second triangle. अब मैंने ना यहाँ पे अपनी साइड इसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर दी. ओके, like 30 degree. In the same way, you have given C is 40 degree, and then okay, and G is, I'm changing 10 degree. Okay, class. Now, tell me. No, it's ये ना मैं चेंज कर देती हूँ. यहाँ पे हम कर देंगे 30. यहाँ पे हम कर देंगे, यहाँ पे we don't mention angle here. यहाँ पे हम एंगल मेंशन नहीं करेंगे. We will mention here angle 10 degree. Okay. In angle triangle XYZ you have given. अब आप देखें XYZ में आपको given है कौन सा एंगल 60 and 70. So for FC and FEG, जैसे आपको यहाँ पे you can see that ABC is triangle is similar with STU. So इस तरह XYZ is similar with FCE and G. F, E and G. Right, class? Because these triangles are same, FE and FEG को find out करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will subtract 180. ये देखिए क्लास 180
minus 40
40. Oh sorry, it's not equal sign. ये equal नहीं है. Yes, 180 minus 40
minus 10 minus 10.
Let's see the angles are equal or not. अगर ये equal नहीं है तो फिर हम इसका एंगल चेंज करेंगे, क्योंकि दोनों ट्राइंगल का सेम इक्वल आना जरूरी है. ओके नाउ क्लास, 180 minus 40 minus 50. 40 minus 50 क्या होता है क्लास? 40 minus 10 minus 1 plus 50. 180
minus 50
minus 50. Tell me the answer. 180 minus 50. Okay, I am changing here. यहाँ पे इसको change करूँगी class. I am changing here 20 degree. मैं अगर इसको 20 degree कर देती हूँ, then what's happen? अगर एक 40 है, okay, changing the values it becomes 60. अब बताइए.
120.
120. Right.
120.
Yes. So angle E we have given. This one is FEG. No, EFG STU. So here we have given EFG. It's not FEG. It's a EFG. ये हमारे पास यानी कि जो G एंगल आया वो हमारे पास क्या आया है? 120.
Yes.
Okay. We have find the third one. We have find G angle. Okay, now next we have given class X, Y and Z. अब बताइए X किसके सिमिलर है क्लास?
E.
Wait. Finding show the similarity sign class. It can also come in MCQs form. Symbol of the similar symbol हम कौन सा यूज करते हैं? Okay, X is similar with E. And Y is similar with
Y.
F.
And Z is
G.
G.
G. And then
EFG.
X, Y, Z. X, Y, and Z equal to 40 डिग्री।
EFG,
क्लास कौन सी साइड दोनों की 40 डिग्री के इक्वल है? एक्स वाई जेड हियर, एक्स वाई जेड इक्वल है तो इसमें कौन सा एंगल इक्वल है 40 डिग्री के?
क्या भाई अपनी शायद दिखाया है सबसे।
EFG,
एंगल एफ,
तो बोल यार
EFG,
अपनी शायद दिखा ले आया करवाएगा फिर।
एंगल ई इज इक्वल विद 40 डिग्री। यहाँ तक क्लियर है क्लास आपको? ये आपको इस तरह से
yes, miss,
डन? ओके
yes,
क्लास, आज हमने ये सीखा, आज हमने ये वाले दो ट्राइंगल्स के सिमिलैरिटी टेस्ट किए थे और हमने यहाँ पे डबल ए, ट्रिपल एस और SAS फाइंड आउट किया था। सो इट्स एंड ऑफ द क्लास। आई एम टेकिंग योर अटेंडेंस। हंजला, साद, अब्दुल कासिर, अरसलान, हमजा एंड जुलेखा, all students are present. Okay, Allah Hafiz class. Okay, end of the class. Allah Hafiz.